In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Notion data using 3 of the best ways available. Whether you're using Notion for personal management or team projects, safeguarding your data is crucial. Notion offers a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to keep your files secure. First, let's open Notion. Navigate to your connected workspace where you handle your projects, documents, or any other kind of information. This workspace acts as the hub for all your Notion activities. You'll need to access the specific area you want to back up. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account, and anytime you log in, it's a good chance to check if everything you need is right where it should be. Next, head over to the Notion Home. It's like the dashboard of your digital workspace, showing you an overview of your recent activities and pages. This home view is handy because it lets you quickly dive into exactly what you want to export or backup. From the Notion Home, click on a specific page or database that holds important information you want to keep safe. Take your time to ensure you're choosing the right content, whether it's a single page of notes or a more extensive database. Each piece of data is valuable, so do a double check if needed. Once you're inside the page or database, look for the 3-dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. This icon serves as a gateway to multiple options related to your page management. Upon clicking it, you'll open a menu with various settings you can adjust. Now, it's time to export your data. In that menu, you'll find the Export option. Select it to begin the process of backing up your work. Depending on the complexity of the data, Notion will offer a few different formats in which you can save your files. Options may include PDF, Markdown, HTML, and CSV formats, each serving different purposes. Choose the one that best suits your needs. For instance, if you need a comprehensive backup of your databases, CSV is ideal, while Markdown or HTML could work well for individual pages or documents. This action will trigger a download. Make sure to save it in a secure location on your computer, external storage, or even a cloud service. Keeping your backup organized will ease retrieval when you need to access it in the future. And there you have it. Your data is now safe and secure, backed up in a format that you can easily access whenever necessary. Stay proactive about backing up your data, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your information is protected. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing on Notion.